Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about division of algebraic expressions. We have learned how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. We also know how to multiply two expressions. We have not, however, looked at division of one algebraic expression by another. This is what we used to do in this section. We recall that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Thus, 7 into 8 is 56, gives 56 divided by 8 is equal to 7, or 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. We may similarly follow the division of algebraic expression. For example, 2x into 3x is equal to 6x cube. Therefore, 6x cube divided by 2x is equal to 3x square, or 6x cube divided by 3x square is equal to 2x. And also 5x into x plus 4, 5x square plus 20x, or 5x square plus 20x divided by 5x is equal to x plus 4. Or you can write 5x square plus 20x divided by x plus 4 is equal to 5x. We shall look closely at how the division of one expression by another can be carried out. To begin with, we shall consider the division of a monomial by another monomial. Division of a monomial by another monomial. Suppose consider 6x cube plus 2x. We may write 2x and 6x cube in an irreducible form. Irreducible factor form. 2x is 2 into x and 6x cube 6 into 2 into 3 into x into x into x. Now we group factors of 6x cube to separate 2x. 6x cube equal to 2 into x into 3 into x into x, or 2x into 3 x square. Therefore, 6x cube plus 2x divided by 3x square. A shorter way to depict cancellation of common factors is as we do in division of numbers. 77 divided by 7, 77 by 7, 7 into 11 by 7, that is 11. In the same way, 6x cube plus divided by 2x 6x cube divided by 2x. Write this in irreducible form, and we are getting 3 into x, that is say 3x square. Do the following division, that is minus 20x to the power 4 divided by 10x square. Minus 20x to the power 4 can be written as minus 2 into 2 into 5 into x into x into x into x. And 10x square can be written as 2 into 5 into x into x. We divide this one, then we are getting this one, and we are getting the answer minus 2x square. Number 2, here you see 7x square y square z square divided by 14x y z. This way you can write in irreducible form, and you're getting 1 by 2 x y z. Division of a polynomial by a monomial. Let us consider the division of trinomial 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y by the monomial 2y. Here we express each term of the polynomial in factor form. We find that 2y is common in each term. Therefore, separating 2y from each term, we get 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y, 2y into y plus 2 into y into 5 by 2 into y plus 2y into 3. Right? We are dividing this term. Then we are getting 2y square plus 5 by 2y plus 3. Again you see 24 x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square by 8xyz. Using both the methods, we are getting 3 into xy plus y, x plus y plus z. Alternately, 24 x square yz. By this way, you can also divide. We are getting 3 into x plus y plus z. Division of algebraic expression continued, that is polynomial divided by polynomial. 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. 7x square plus 14x can be written as in this way. That is 7 into x plus 2 into 7 into x, or 7 into x plus x plus 2, or 7x into x plus 2, or 7x square plus 14x divided by x plus 2. We get common, and we are getting 7x. The same way, 44 into x 4 minus x 5x to the power cube minus 24x square divided by 11 x into x minus 8. We are getting that we are getting 22 into 11 into x plus 3 into x minus 8. 11x into x minus 8. Therefore, we are getting 22 into x plus 3, that is 4x into x plus 3. Divide x 5z square minus 80 divided by 5z into z plus 4. Z into 5z square minus 80 can be written as z. Can be written as 5z into z minus 4 into z plus 4, and we are getting this 5z divided by z plus 4, that is z minus 4 is the answer. In the next video, we'll solve the exercises. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.